Hey everybody, welcome back to my beauty space. Today's video is going to be a little different. I'm switching things up. I'm doing a natural, glowy, everyday, yet still full coverage makeup tutorial. So I know it's a little different than what I usually do, but I figured, you know, for my girls out there that need a little bit of full coverage but still want everyday wearable makeup, this tutorial is for you. So without further ado, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Comment down below, let me know what your thoughts are on this video. If you want to learn how to do this look right here, then just keep watching.
Alrighty, so I'm going to start by prepping my skin with a little bit of TATCHA water cream just to give my skin some extra moisture. I was traveling, so my skin's a little bit on the drier side. Now I'm going to move on to brows, and I'm prepping my brows with the Benefit BROWVO Conditioning Primer, just running that through my brows. Then I'm going to be using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I start my brows by mapping out the bottom and the top line just to give my brow a little bit of structure, and then just doing simple little hair-like strokes just to make my brow look as natural as possible. I'm also not sure if I mentioned it, but I am using shade 4 today. I'm usually shade 6, but since it's more of a natural brow, I wanted to go in with a lighter color. To set my brows, I'm using Benefit's 24-Hour Brow Setter Gel, and I'm just running that through my brows and then cleaning them up with a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape. I'm now taking a little bit of that same Shape Tape to prime my eyes, and I'm blending it out with my Sephora concealer brush and then just setting it with a little bit of translucent setting powder. Moving on to the skin, I cannot even begin to express to you how obsessed I am with this primer. I just recently tried it out and I have not stopped using it. It's the Touch in Sol No Poreblem Primer. And for foundation, I'm using the new Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Foundation. I'm in the shade 220, and this is another product that I have not been able to put down. It's just so full coverage but so lightweight. It's just such an amazing foundation. For concealer, you already know my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm trying a new shade. I'm attempting Light Sand, and I really like it much better for my skin tone. And I'm blending it out with my Morphe sponge. I know this is a quick tutorial, but if you get lost at any point, all products will be listed down below with links to the actual products. To set all the areas that I just concealed, I'm using Patrick's powder from the Patrick STARR and MAC collaboration. Moving on to bronzer, I'm using Benefit's HOOLA bronzer and applying it with the Benefit contouring brush, and I'm just kind of fluffing this all over the face as well as doing a little bit of contouring with it. I'm also applying it to my nose for a little bit of nose contour, and then moving on to blush, I'm using Benefit's California. So since I'm not doing any eyeshadow, I want to bring a little bit of definition to my eyes. So I'm using the NARS bronzing powder in the shade Casino, and I'm just fluffing that all over the upper crease. I'm now taking this Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray, and this is going to melt all those powders together and make my skin glow. And I'm pressing in the product with my Morphe sponge. I'm now going to curl my lashes, and for mascara, I'm using Benefit's Roller Lash. This is my absolute favorite mascara. Benefit just sent me a brand new one, and I'm obsessed. It just really lengthens and curls your lashes in all the right directions. To prep my lips, I'm using the SUBLIMITE Paris MASKRUB, and I'm taking just a little bit on my finger. This you're supposed to rub on in circular motions and then leave on for 3 minutes and then wipe off with a towel and warm water, and your lips will be super smooth. Also, a couple of the products in this video were sent to me, but this is not a sponsored video. Now for a little lip combo, I'm using MAC's lip pencil in Oh Honey. This lip pencil is like the perfect pinky nude. It's like my lips but better. And then to place over top of the lip pencil, I'm using NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in the shade Get It On. Just to add a little extra glow to the skin, I'm using Benefit's Dandelion Twinkle and applying it with this Morphe highlighting brush.
Alrighty, so this is the final look. It was quick, but I really hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today, even if it was just for a short little while. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you thought of this look. Alrighty guys, until the next one. Bye!